Morning folks, right, taking off all these sections of planking which will be cleaned up again and put back to use on the jetty. Probably give them a good clean up with the big jet wash. But with this hydro shot thing, there's the other end in the water. With the hydro shot, cleaned out all the screws. That's all the screws I've taken out. You can see that the beams are rotten, totally rotten. But a bit of a saga getting all those screws out too. They were decking screws. Look like the Travis Perkins ones, the green ones. But did it with the hydro shot first, cleared the screw heads, and then used the Festool impact driver to drive them out. Worked all right. So you've got about 50 out, I suppose. 4 screws on each, 200 screws. Right. It's Desperate Sailing Club, Shepperton. Right.